What's up guys, Sammy here, and today I've got an unboxing and first look of the Samsung Galaxy S9 in the 256GB Midnight Black version. Getting into the unboxing portion of this video, after removing the wrap, sliding the box cover out, we'll cut this seal here to unfold into the box. On the top we'll find the one part of the accessories box. This box includes a SIM tray tool, a clear cover, and a quick start guide. Beneath this we'll find the Samsung Galaxy S9, but let's move that to the side for one moment and look at the other accessories which come with the device, including an adaptive fast charger, AKG tuned 3.5mm headphones with media/phone controls. You'll also find two pairs of replaceable earbuds for comfort, a USB Type-C cable for charging, and a USB to Type-C connector, useful for migrating from your old Android device or used with other devices like a hard drive. Moving on to the phone itself, after removing the front sticker and powering the phone on for the first time, we'll find that stunning 5.8-inch AMOLED edge-to-edge display. On the front you'll find that front-facing camera, and the S9 lineup this year features a Dolby Atmos stereo sound setup. Taking a look at the bottom of the S9, we'll find that 3.5mm headphone port, which is great to see that Samsung are still pushing forward with it. Next is that USB Type-C port and a microphone/speaker area. To the left of the device, we've got that volume rocker and that Bixby button again, which has some added features this time round, including real-time translation of text displayed into another language to taking a picture of something and finding more information about it. It's pretty similar to what we've seen on the Google front. On the right, we'll find that power/wake button, and last but not least, we'll find the SIM and micro SD storage tray, which will now support up to 400GB of storage. For the first time in a smartphone camera, the Samsung Galaxy S9 also features a variable aperture, where the lens can be opened up at f1.5, meaning you'll be able to capture in low lit areas, and an f2.4 aperture where the lens will shift to help keep your pictures sharp in daylight. Samsung also have what's called AR emoji, their take on Apple's Animoji, although while I'm not the biggest fan of this, it's kind of cool to see what the tech can do. But yeah, that's going to wrap it up for this short unboxing and first look of the Samsung Galaxy S9. I'm still deciding whether or not to go for the S9 or the S9 Plus, but thanks to my friend for allowing me to check it out in action for this video. If I do end up getting one of them, please let me know if you'd like to see a review of it. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Anyways, hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.